Sky and candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys these beautiful boho locks by Zury Hollywood. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so number one, I want to apologize because I know I did not construct this unit on camera or anything, but I honestly messed up on the closure part because I didn't know what I was doing. But thankfully I figured out what I did wrong, so I will be bringing you guys a full-on tutorial on how to get a crochet unit with the braided cap and a closure. But anyways, I'll just show you guys my unit anyways and me installing it. So here's how it looks. So this is the inside. As you guys can see, it's the braided cap, and then I just crocheted the beautiful bohemian dreads to the cap. So that's basically what I did. But anyways, I just want to try it on because I haven't got a chance to try it on yet. So the part I messed up on is I was not able to like make it to where I can like flip it to the different sides. So if I want like a side part, I just got to move the closure over, which kind of sucks. Cause yeah, so I'm gonna be going in with my even lace tint sprays. I'm gonna go in with dark brown and then darkest brown. These two mixed together is a perfect combination for me. When I need it to dry fast and I don't have time to like just let it sit, I just take literally any holding spray. This one is actually what is this? This is actually a finishing spray, which is basically the same thing as a holding spray. It's just it's more lightweight. But I just take any kind of holding spray or something similar, and I like to spray it on the closure or whatever lace I'm using, and then I go in and blow dry it because it kind of sets it in, and then it also dries faster. I noticed that, so that's what I do. Okay divas, so I have went in and finished drying it, and as you guys can see, it blends perfectly with my skin. And then I also cut the lace, the extra lace off the closure, and I like it going to the side like this. Like I feel like I don't know, like I feel like it looks better on me, like I don't know. But you guys, these dresses are so pretty. Like I love how they kind of remind me of the goddess locks, like how they, you know, like how they go down into the body wave curl. But yeah, this is just so pretty. Like these locks are just, I love them, and that's why I wanted to make them into a wig so I can just like pop out on anybody anytime with some dreads. Like yes girl. But yeah, anyways, we are going to get to tacking this thing down. I did just go ahead and move my closure over to the side a little bit. I did tell you guys, like I feel like if I don't use a frontal, like I probably won't be able to like just like flip it over, but there is another way that I can do it, and like I said, I'm gonna let you guys know. Okay, so to tack it down, I'm going to be using this Got To Be. This is the Insta Hold Got To Be spray. This one, honestly, like if you want to wear it for a long period of time, then don't use this one, but I have wig reviews to do, so I can't wear it for a long period of time right now.
Shuffling songs by Egyptian on Amazon Music.
Oh, you.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. So I'm actually going to use the Got To Be gel. This is the yellow one. I love using this one. Some people have like reservations about using this one because they say it make your edges crusty, but honestly, like to me, this one, I don't know, like it really holds. Like if I actually when I do my adult hairs, you know, it actually holds them in place. So I like using it. I just try not to use too much and just use enough to where I'll get that hold, but to each its own. So you can use whatever you want. Okay divas, so it's been 5 minutes, so they should be set now. Ooh, let me take it off slowly, I don't want to mess anything up. Okay, yeah, so they are all set now. Like, see, yeah, they're not that great. Please do your baby hairs or your adult hairs better than mine. Okay divas, so now that I have my makeup on and everything, and I'm all together, you know, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about these locks. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I do have extra packs. I was like way overzealous, like I thought I needed more packs than I actually did. So yeah, you definitely, like, this one is in my head and it's full. There's no like spaces or anything like that, like nothing is showing. Okay, this is a full head and I only use 5 packs, and this is 5 packs with me doing a full wig, and plus like with the closure. Yeah, you'll be good with 5 packs. So anywho, here is one of the extra packs that I had left. So this is the Wiggle Loc Boho. This is the layer faux locks. So with these faux locks, like, they have it to where, so some of them are longer. Like this one is a longer one, as you guys can see. So this one is long, and then let me pull a short one. So this one is a medium one actually. So that was a long one, and then this is a medium. As you could tell, like this one is like, where did it go? Oh yeah, so this one is like way longer, and then it gets to the curly piece. And then this one is the medium one. And as you guys can see, it come down a little bit further. And then let me find a short piece. Okay, so this one is a short piece because it starts like up high, as you guys can see. So that is how this pack comes, and this is how the pack comes. It's like, you guys, this is like really good, especially for the price. Like the price is amazing. I will have links in the description box below. But yeah, so this is how the packs come. So the packs are really full, and that's why you really only need 5, and that's if you want it super full like me. Like I like my crochet styles to be full because I don't like when it just looks incomplete. But yeah, so I have it in the color number 1B in the inches 22. Oh yeah, I forgot to stand up and show you guys how long it is. Okay, so this is how long it is on me. So you guys know I'm short and I have a shorter neck, in case you want to use that for a reference. But this is how it's falling on me, and look at how gorgeous they are up close. Like, so freaking pretty. Anyways, let's go ahead and get it right into how I feel about them. I think that they are absolutely gorgeous. I feel like this style is perfect for all year round, and I just love them. Like they really remind me of the Goddess locks, but I like these because the difference between those is that these are layered. So you have pieces that have more dread than the curl, and then you have pieces that have more curl than the dread. So it's like a nice mixture, as you guys can see here. Like, it's just a nice mixture, because I didn't like take them out or anything and like put certain ones. Like, it's just random, and I really do like that because I feel like it makes the style look like, you know, more natural. I mean, obviously, you know, I haven't grew these beautiful dreads, but you know, it just gives it like a more natural vibe. I also love how soft this hair is. This hair is really soft and it's easy to maintain. That is one thing that I'm always worried about, like with like Goddess locks or just this type of hair in general. But Zury always brings us this super soft hair. The only thing I would recommend is to put mousse on it, like when you wear it. So I didn't put mousse on it today, but if I was to go out somewhere, like, I would definitely put mousse on it. And then I would also put mousse on it before I put it away, because as you guys know, this is a wig, and I made it into a wig so that it could last longer, so I could pull these locks out at any time. And then it's also a lot easier to maintenance them when you make them into a wig. Even if you're going to wear them constantly, I feel like just making them into a wig like will help you out a lot more, because I just feel like they're just gonna last longer. So, but of course you do whatever you want to do. But I just overall really love these. Like, they're just so beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, like I just feel like a queen, like, with these locks. Like, they're just so beautiful. Every time I put on locks, especially by Zury, like, I just feel like a queen. But yeah, overall I really do like them. I love the quality of them. They're just so, like, really nice. So I would definitely recommend them. Like I said before, I will have a tutorial on how I made this unit. I'm actually going to make another unit. I'm not going to take this one apart, but I am going to make another unit with the exact same inches, the exact same everything. I just messed up this time, and you guys know I gotta come correct, okay? But anyways, yeah, if you guys are interested in these locks, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know, have you tried out these type of locks? How you feel about crochet styles? Do you try crochet styles? Just let me know how you guys feel about this style, and let me know what you think about it on me. I am absolutely in love. Like, I want to try the butterfly locks now, and just different type of locks, because I like the way they look on me. And plus, I don't know what it is about locks, but they just make me feel like queen-esque, okay? Like, I feel like I'm queening right now. But yeah, just let me know what you fabulous girls think, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.